Hello, good evening. This is day 13 of the Travel Tour Adventure here in France. And this is the last day or last night dito sa France. We stay for 2 days only. At eto yung huling sulyap kay Our Lady of Lourdes. Ayan. So, marami pa rin pilgrims na pumupunta at dun sa area na yon, doon yung grotto ni Mama Mary. So, yung tower na yon, yan, yun yung mismong basilica ni Our Lady of Lourdes. At yung basilica surrounded by water. Yan. So, naririnig yung ayan yung napakalinaw nung tubig na yan. So, marami pa rin pumupunta sa Our Lady of Lourdes. So, this is view from our hotel room. Yan. The good things, yung hotel namin, it's walking distance lang. Ayun yung entrance. Yan. Ito. So, yan. Yung banda dyan, yun yung mismong entrance ng basilica. So, yung bridge na yan, and then yung street na yan, at nandito na yung hotel. Kaya tanaw na tanaw mo yung basilica ni Our Lady of Lourdes. Yan. At marami pa rin pumupunta. Yung iba galing sa iba't ibang bansa, and then nag-Station of the Cross. So maraming, pag nagpunta kayo dito sa Our Lady of Lourdes, maraming misa, iba't ibang languages. May Frances, may Italian, merong German, tsaka maraming church. Doon sa banda doon may underground na malaking church din, at may nagmimisa din doon. Doon sa baba, meron ding nagmimisa, at yung sa taas na yan, aakyat ka pa dyan, yung 3 tower na yan, meron ding nagmimisa, at dun sa grotto meron din. So, para yung mga tao ma-accommodate lahat, kasi kung papasok lahat, hindi rin magkakasya sa sobrang daming pumupunta ng tao. Ayun o. Yan. Hanggang midnight na yan. So we'll see kung pupunta tayo pa dyan at makita naman yung pagka-solemn ng basilica pag gabi. Yan. Kapag tumutunog yung bell, nag-start ng, it's either mass or magro-rosary na, magnunovena na kapag tumunog na yung mga kampana. So kanina tumutunog, siguro nag-start na yung rosary dun sa grotto kay Our Lady of Lourdes. Alright, thank you so much and have a nice day. This is the last night. Tomorrow magpo-fly na kami going to Paris again. Babalik kami sa Paris for 2 nights. So maaga yung flight namin. So this is the last day in Our Lady of Lourdes. 2 days lang kami dito sa France. And then we flew to Paris tomorrow morning, early morning. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning. Alright, so ito yung huling sulyap kay Our Lady of Lourdes. Yan. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is Lance Liam Chumowski. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And please subscribe. Thank you and God bless you. From Basilica Shrine of Our Lady of Lourdes here in France. Buongiorno, merci beaucoup. God bless.